welcome back to my channel. This is Amina Bashir. If this is your first time here, this is me. Today I wanted to recreate Toniolaoye'S look. Like, you know, there's this trend like it's happening, like you try to follow what a makeup artist is doing on YouTube and just try to recreate the same look. I don't know if this is like the same what she did, but like I know the eyeshadow is the same. It's very nude, kind of smoky. It's smoky on the low. I love it. Like, I really, when I saw the look, I actually adored it, and I was like, let me just try and see if I can follow through. I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. And if you do like it, please guys don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tag Toniolaoye so that she sees my video, because she's so beautiful, and it will be really nice to get recognized by her. So yeah, that's it guys, enjoy the look. So I've already done my brows because I feel like I've already done my brow tutorial. So I've done my brows, so we're just going to start with the eyes. And first thing she did was she concealed her eyes, which is the normal process, with LA Pro Girl, which is this toffee.
But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer with my setting powder.
And we're going to blend it out. Okay, that is done. And then she used the Sachet Buttercup to set her eyes, which we have. She's using one kind of palette like that, and I don't have it.
Then moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm going to take the
Bella Noir, and we don't have it.
Glitter Love.
But it's kind of, I have a similar color. I'm going to use my color pop to start with my shadow, and I think it's this color. Okay, that is done.
And take that orange shade right there and just put this in my crease, my big fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go in with this brown shade. Actually, no, sorry, with this burgundy shade.
She went in with a burgundy shadow, and I don't have the palette that she's using, but I'm going to be using my Zulu by Juvia's in this one.
Apply this in my crease as well and just blend it into my transition color. Then the next thing I'm going to...
No, was not reached. Next
is the brown shade, and apply it.
She said she used a brown shade. I'll be using my Juvia for the brown one, for the brown shade. Let's see how she applied it.
It's all over my eyelids.
Okay, all over your eyelids.
Just to give it that nice smoky base that I want.
Okay. She said we should go in with a brown one for our eyelids, so to give it like a kind of smoky look, like she said. Okay, that is on.
This all into my eyes.
Okay, she said let's blend it all in. If we blend it all in.
So I went into my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette.
Okay, we have this Juvia's palette, and then because that's the one that she's using, and she's using the orange one.
And apply this on my.
She used this one.
This dark brown shade as well.
She used this color. Then she said she went in again with this one.
And apply this on top of the Brown&Nude. Taking my beige blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend in all these shades together, and my eye looks perfect. I'm going to go ahead and...
Okay, I think that's mostly what she did, and then let's blend it all together. thing she did was put on her lashes. Okay, so she just applied her lashes, and I think we did too. And
okay guys, so for my foundation, I'm going to mix
we're going to do the foundation
together. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355.
Let me use the Fit too. The Fit Me. Mine is 355. So let's do this. Okay, foundation. I usually don't use Maybelline, honestly. I don't know. I like when I use it, it's like, I don't know. I feel like maybe if I'm not going to a serious place or I just want to, but it's really good. Like honestly, I don't know why I don't use it more. I'm always with Fenty or Huda Beauty or my Bobbi Brown, but like their foundation is good too. Really good.
So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all together. Using this to highlight my face by going underneath my eyes. I'm also going to clean up my eyeshadow as well to give it that nice, sharp, and clean look.
Okay, so she has started highlighting and contouring, and that's what we will. She's using Cool Tan for her highlight, but obviously she's much lighter than I am. So for me, I'll be using the Toffee. Like I use Toffee to highlight everything really, because I feel like it's my, even though it's a bit lighter than I am, but I just love it. So I'll be using Toffee to do my highlight. Okay. Right. And then what did she do?
Then I'm going to apply some bridge on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty blender.
Okay, and then we'll start blending. Okay, it's blended now.
My concealer into my skin.
Okay, we're going to set in with Sasha. She's using the same setting powder as I am. We've set in the setting powder.
Concealer in the shade Chestnut.
Okay, for her contour, she's using Chestnut. I'm using Beautiful Bronze. To darken my contour. She smoked out her bottom lashes with an orange shadow, which I don't have, but I'm going to use an alternative, this one, to see how it looks.
Lashes, I'm going back into the palette and applying that shade right beneath my line. Then I'm going to take the gold.
Okay, for her corner eye here, she used a glittery, I don't know, shadow, but I'm not going to use that. So I'll be using, honestly, if I tell you guys I know the name of this, I'm lying, because I got it like a year ago with my sister and she just convinced me to take it. So I really don't know the name, but I love how pigmented it is. Like, guys, like that is how pigmented it is. If you want the shadow that you're using or whatever that you're using to be more popping, just use your setting spray and like just put it on the brush a bit. She's using an illuminator for her highlighter, and I used a shimmer. That'll be all. Okay, so for her lip line, she's using the Chestnut Matte. I have it, but honestly, I don't know where it is right now. I'll just be using something else.
And I'm just not lining it in the regular way. I'm actually going to use it to fill in my lips a little bit more than usual.
Okay.
Then I'm going to take my Taos ink.
She filled it in a bit more than usual.
And apply this all over.
Okay, she's using like a brown shade. For my lips, I'll be using the Carucci and Colourpop's collaboration in Fudged. And that's it. Okay.
I'm going to use my toothbrush to blend everything in. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it.
And that's pretty much it. So guys, that's it. That's the Toniolaoye'S Brown and Nude Smoky makeup look that I tried to recreate with her through my laptop. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope that she gets to see it. And if you've seen this, Tony, I want you to know that I admire you, and you're so beautiful, and you inspire me to do a lot with my makeup, because your makeup is so simple and straight to the point, and it gives you this natural glow without even, like, so effortless. Like, I didn't stress that much like I would if I'm just doing mine. Like, your makeup is just amazing, and thank you for coming to watch. And if you don't get to see it, oh well, I'll just keep dreaming. So guys, if you really do like this look, please don't forget, oh, I'm a flower child today. So please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.